As I said before in our earlier post, here's our second bubba, a little Latino, yellow and pink eyes. He's a little mover. Loves getting on his bike on the old treadway, moving around. Let's see how he goes.
He struggles to eat. We think maybe that he's had some full seeds shoved down his throat, so he's struggling to feed properly. But we're very patient, and he's just getting so much stronger anyway, even though he's still on struggles. Struggles to eat.
Oh, these things happen.
Too late. One of them went for a bit of a roll the other day too. That's why I do it on the bed. It's soft. Okay, now this is why you gotta sit still. You're like a little ant. Sit still. Made me feel bad. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. He wants to eat. He struggles.
I'm not sure if this one's the oldest one or the next one we're going to do is the oldest one, because there's only a day apart. But they're both so little for their age. And as we said, they've done so well in the last 48 hours or so since we've brought them inside. Fortunately, Mum and Dad weren't really feeding them well. They're pretty much dropping seeds in the box.
I'm ready.
We might pause it there and we'll wait for our next one.
Yeah. Oh.
And here we go, number 3. Oh, look at him. Apparently this one's a bit of a squawker and a bit of a runner too when he gets going. And this one's doing so well. Like when he come in earlier, I can still see his legs are a little swayed, but as he's been getting more and more stronger with the feed, he's getting better and better. Oh, and a piglet.
He has trouble standing still because of his feet. So if I restrain him, I know he squawks, but he just feeds better that way. There we go. Because he doesn't have to worry about placing anything anywhere. Yeah. We worked it out. Oh. No, you're not done yet.
So we might just leave it to it with this little guy. We'll finish him off, and then we'll come back to the big boy, Oreo.